Oh, what's this? It's the bicentennial recipe for crab roll with chicken liver and salted eggs by the heavenly chefs. And we got some crab meat, and I got some bean curd skin. So I better go and get change so that I can get this done. I came home today and I had a media drop with all the ingredients to make the crab roll with chicken liver and salted egg. Now all the ingredients are ready. Shall we get rolling? For this recipe, we'll be needing prawn meat, crab meat, salted egg yolk, and chicken liver. The first thing to do is to make the prawn paste. So this is what we do. It's very simple. What you need is a food processor, and then you put the prawns into the food processor, and we just season it with a bit of salt, a bit of sugar, a bit of sesame oil, and some pepper. Now, blitz. Okay, so now you got a prawn paste. This is chicken liver, which you can buy from the market, and what we'll do is we'll just dice it. Dice the chicken liver. Chicken liver is one of those old school ingredients. What we need to do is to just mix the prawn paste with the crab meat. See, essentially, the proportion is really up to you. Prawn paste is basically used to bind the crab meat together. If you don't really like chicken liver or you have problems getting the chicken liver together, you can easily omit it. The next thing you need to do is to prepare the bean curd skin. Now, you have to buy the right bean curd skin. There's some that are used for cooking desserts, and there's some like this that are used for wrapping ngoh hiam and crab rolls like this. Use a wet cloth, just give it a bit of a wipe, just to get rid of all the dust on the surface, and then you're ready to go. We get our paste. You want to get the paste sort of like on the bottom. It's like rolling a popiah. If you've done popiah before, you should know. This is just salted egg yolk that has been steamed. And you want to break it up and just put it in the middle. Nice and tight. We need to finish off with just a little bit of the egg wash, just to make sure it sticks nicely. Okay, what you want to do is you're gonna just coat the outside with a little bit of egg wash and corn flour so that it will turn out really nice and crisp. We're using just egg yolk according to the instructions. Make sure you get your egg wash all over. Then we have some corn flour. Okay, we're ready to fry. So actually you can steam it first and then fry it, which will make it easier. You know, if you fry, you gotta fry at low heat. You don't have your oil too hot. If the oil is too hot, it will tend to burn the outside before the inside gets cooked. I'm trying to get the oil to maybe about 120, and I'll put it in, and then slowly the temperature will rise. Get rid of all the excess flour. And alright, you can see it's quite a gentle frying temperature. So I think about 10 minutes should do it. So what the chefs tell me is that this dish was essentially the kind of banquet dish that they used to serve at all the festive occasions like weddings, you know. Of course, not everybody's gonna do this at home. So if you're lazy to do this at home, you can always go to the restaurant and order it, yeah. At the restaurant, they have a different version, which is the round version. They use the pig's cow fat to wrap it instead of the bean curd. So it's slightly different. But if you want to do this at home, it's quite simple. You know, if you don't want to use prawn paste, you think you can even use just the normal fish paste, and then you can add in a bit of crab. If you don't have crab, you can still add in chopped prawns, scallop, and of course the salted egg in the middle is essential for the dish, in my opinion. The chicken liver, I'm not a big chicken liver fan, right? So actually I don't mind leaving it out and putting in foie gras instead. Ha! Actually, foie gras will be good, right? I have a thermometer like this, so I can actually test the internal temperature. Right now, the internal temperature is 51, which is not quite hot enough yet because it's prawn meat. And prawn meat, I think you need to cook it to about 60 to get it to cook. Once it's golden brown, essentially, it's done. All right. Yeah, here we go. Beauty. Okay, now we're all ready to plate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it, I think, at an angle like this. According to this picture. Okay. So roughly, I think, be like this. Yeah, looks good. Look at that. Okay. Okay. So now, got this in the middle. Actually, what do? Cut that. Now. Yum. It's good. It's a good recipe. I think you just sacrifice the bottom. So there you have it. Crab roll with chicken liver and salted egg. It's actually quite easy to do. I've done it. Now it's your turn.